Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. For a showcase, I was trying to be smooth and like switch into something from like Price is Right. Let me do that again. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I'll just leave it at that. What do we got? I got this over at Buckwheat Market. This is by Ottogi. This is their Buckwheat Chili Noodle. Basically, it's a bibim cold noodle for the summer months. And it's summer right now, and I know you won't see this until it's just about winter. No, we're not into December reviews yet. But we're getting there, folks. We're getting there. It's August 2nd. The sheer extra noise that is unnecessary here is just killing me. And this is the first day. These are truly the dog days of summer. 1, 2, 3. And half. All this and more can be yours on The Price is Right. The price is wrong, Chachi. I used to get people really like freaking out. I would like call everybody Chachi. I'm like, whatever, Chachi. They're like, did you just call me Chachi? I'm like, what about it? I used to call everybody Chachi. Hey, stop stomping out there. Oh. They're playing the song that they used to do in preschool. Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? But of course, one of the things is, can you stomp your feet? And there it goes. It's like, yeah. Well, it's almost noon, so it's almost time for their lunch. Should be interesting typing up these reviews with this finger I sliced. It was crazy. It was just like, I'm like, oh, there it is. There it is. She told me not to cut my finger. I just cut my finger. Mandolin slicer. And it was clean and quick. Boy, let me tell you. Carrots aren't easy to slice on that thing. I'll blame it on the grocery store and not on myself. Because they didn't have big carrots. I really wanted a big, thick carrot. And then if I had that, it would have worked out better. But did they have any? No. I couldn't use the little thing. I guess I should have. It stings. I'm covered in bug bites. I took a Benadryl. We'll see what happens. I know, calamine, I know, but I don't have any, or if there is some, I don't want to put a bunch of goo on me right now. Generally, I don't like goo. Unless it's like mayonnaise on a sandwich. I don't like sunscreen, but boy, the last few times I've gone out walking when it's just been like fire and brimstone from the sky, I've been using it logically. But I generally am not a big fan of any kind of I don't like lotion. Like, oh, it's time to moisturize. Everybody put on their lotion. I'm gone. Like, you do you. I don't want lotion. You want some lotion? No. I know a lot of people are really into lotion. And it's just like, you mean spreading soap scented mayonnaise on yourself? Then there's the thing with the hand sanitizer. I know it's okay, but you rub it in and where does it go? How does it clean you? You got it on you. It's in you now? What is it? Don't get in trouble out there. It's almost time for lunch. I don't want to have to give you poop for lunch. Who wants poop for lunch? Okay, good. You're listening. All right. And I'm listening too. And now it's time to drain the noodle. Stop jumping up and down. It's shaking the entire apartment and other folks' apartments. It is not a good thing. Get off the couch. Don't jump on the couch. Feed these kids raw potatoes for lunch. It's tempting. It would just make more noise though. Oh God. It's heard of a thing called cocoa melon. That stuff, I swear, if you've got kids, and they're young, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about. They're just like these short little animated computer digital shorts of these horrible songs. And if you look at those, you should totally check those out. And what's that kid Ryan and Blippi? If you go on YouTube, because you know your kids are cracking out over that stuff, go on YouTube and look at how many views these things have. It's insane. It really is. It's quite amazing. But I mean, I didn't have a tablet when I was a kid. These guys got tablets. So here's our cold buckwheat noodle. You know, I really thought I had this one before. Maybe I have, just not this packaging. I don't know. I looked it up and I couldn't find anything like it. Not super spicy. A little spicy. God, I like bit my tongue last night at dinner. In the back. Sounded like chomping an apple. It hurts, man. Alright, here's... No, let's not jump around again. Or not. Very good. That's what I like to hear. Or not. And I'm going to expect that this is sesame seed and seaweed. Yep. It isn't. Now I have to try this part before I go any further. It's like a little, there's powder aspect to it. I don't know exactly what's going on there, but it adds a little bit of texture. So we're going to use some of these thin mandolin sliced pieces of cucumber. That luckily, that wasn't the culprit for cutting my finger. Throw some carrot here. got some ham. Adding bits and pieces of like cold cuts and such. Little bits of ham. Oh, and you can add some mung bean sprout down here. Come on, don't fall on the ground. Now we've got some little grape tomato we're going to put around this side. It just ends up being like a nice cold salady kind of thing that's really nice in the summer. Got some spring onion left. A little bit of sesame seed. A little more. All right, Rotato. Well, thanks for watching. Yeah, if you've never tried cold noodles, they're really good. Nice, tangy, spicy, sweet, a lot of the time. But anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I hope you have a good one. Bye-bye.